We're here today with Dr. James Augustine from Ahead to Wellness in Buena Park, California. And we're asking, what do you like most about PMF?
That it's an absolute game changer for health. The results that we can get using PEMF were never before possible. I always wanted to see people heal from chronic illness, anything from cancer to autoimmune disease and terrible things like that. And the intent always in my practice is never to treat, cure, or heal anyone. It's always them, that their body is actually curing, treating, healing itself because we're getting their body healthier. And PEMF is a whole new level of put energy into their tissues and cells so that their physiology just normally can occur. It's sort of that simple. You know, everybody's body and tissues can become low charged just from the stressors of life and the things that they can run into. And it's sort of like your cell phone. You got to keep charging up your cell phone. Well, similarly, your body and your cells actually have mitochondria inside of them that needs to be recharged up. You charge it back up and things change.
Oh.
People heal and resolve like I've never seen before. So it's been spectacular.
Amazing. Thank you.